Hello friends, hope you all are doing well today. So I wanted to show you the library that is available to you on Epic. These are some awesome books that you can find using your Clever app. And with Epic, you have access to all types of books. Now, the book that we're going to be looking at today matches our science lesson. If you tuned in to today's science lesson, then you discovered all about saltwater habitats. So, we are going to be exploring the ocean in our book today. The book title is called Protecting Ocean Animals. Now, really quickly, I want you to look at the word protecting. What do you think the word protecting means? Awesome. It means to keep safe. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning about how to keep these ocean animals safe. All right, let's get started. About oceans. Oceans are large bodies of water. They are filled with salt water. Many animals live in oceans. Notice we have our jellyfish over here, and this is a sea turtle. Some ocean animals are big. Whales can be bigger than school buses. Wow, did you know that? That a whale can be bigger than a school bus. Absolutely amazing. So if you look up here, this is a photograph of an orca, and also known as a killer whale. And then this is a photograph of a humpback whale. Other ocean life is small. Zooplankton are very small. They are almost too small to see. Remember, boys and girls, that this is an example of bold print. Zooplankton, this is the word that the author wants to stand out to you. This is what they're wanting to teach you more about. And they're providing you with photographs of zooplankton. Some animals live deep in the ocean. No light can reach here. Squid can live in deep water. So this is a photograph of a squid, and remember they live in the deep water. So if you go really way down deep into the ocean where there's not much light or no light at all, then you are able to find squid. Other animals live in shallow water. Sunlight shines through the water. Lots of fish live here. Dolphins do too. Here's an example again of a bold print. Remember, this is the word shallow. This means it is not deep. And here is some photographs of shallow water to where you can see the sun is able to reach. There's a friendly dolphin and some beautiful fish. Coral reefs form in some shallow water. They are home to many animals. Sea urchins live there. So do lobsters. So if I did not know what a sea urchin was, then I can look above at my photographs. Which one do you think is a sea urchin? Point to it. Which one do you think is a lobster? Point to the photograph. Correct, this is a sea urchin and this is a lobster. Sharks hunt in coral reefs. Eugenie Clark was an oceanographer. She studied sharks. And if you want to know more about these words, remember you can look at the photographs for more information. Ocean animals are at risk. Pollution makes the water unsafe for them. People eat fish from oceans. Sometimes they take too many of one kind of fish. So let's look at this bold print over here at the word risk. What do you think the word risk means? Let's read the sentence again to help us have a better understanding. Ocean animals are at risk. And let's use the help of our photograph. So if something or someone is at risk, then this means that their safety might be in danger. And then we find out what the danger is: pollution. Pollution makes the water unsafe. What are some examples of pollution? If you look above, you can see all of the trash floating in the ocean. This is pollution. It causes animals that live in the ocean to become sick or ill, which is also not good because a lot of people eat different types of fish. And if the fish are sick, then what happens to the people? That's right, they could become sick as well. You can help protect oceans. Pick up trash on beaches. Only eat fish that have healthy populations. Think about it. Have you ever visited an ocean? What animals did you see there? You see that in their exploration, they found a sea star or a starfish and a stingray. All right, remember this is another important nonfiction text feature that if you do not know the meaning of a word, you can turn to your glossary, and your glossary will provide you with the definition, such as risk, the possibility of danger, harm, or loss. Shallow, not deep. Zooplankton, tiny animals that live in oceans. Pollution, contamination of the air, water, or soil. All right, so what do you think was the main idea of this book today? Right, the main idea is to inform us of how to protect ocean waters. What were two ways that you could protect the ocean? That's right, you can pick up trash and you can eat fish that have healthy populations. Hope you all enjoyed this awesome nonfiction text. Can't wait to hear from you soon. Remember to check in with me through email, Seesaw, and I hope you're all staying safe.